What's going on, guys? Decelation, Brian.
What's up, peeps?
Today we're doing a Factory 5 body install on this beautiful baby right here. Last video you guys saw the paint job was done. Now Brian's gonna finish this heater hose. I'm gonna finish that little tail light, and then this goes back down on the ground and pull it out, and we're gonna put the body on.
I'm excited.
You excited? I'm excited. All right, so stay tuned, guys. We're gonna get to work. Welcome back, guys. Continue on the Factory 5 body install. Brian?
Let's go.
It's on the ground.
It is on the ground, all four tires.
The driveway's cleared out, and we even cleared of all my moving crap. Kind of a path we can get the body out of there.
It's light, we'll get it out of there.
Yeah. So I'm gonna pull this out, and we're gonna toss the body on. Brian?
It's about time.
All right.
It is about time.
Stay tuned. All right, guys. We got the Factory 5 body installed. Brian, are they ready for this view?
I think they are. They deserve it. They've been watching all these videos.
That's true.
It's a lot of videos.
We appreciate you guys. That looks beautiful. I am so ecstatic. Man, that looks good. Whew. Oh yeah. I'm sorry, like I'm still speechless. How long have we been off camera, Brian?
Like 20 minutes.
20 minutes. I've spent the last 20 minutes just like in awe. I am so happy. Like, is this a perfect paint job? Hell no. But does it look amazing and it's perfect for my application? Yes. Because all my cars get driven, and I really want to drive this car hard, and it's gonna look good being driven hard. And we made a little mistake. We forgot about one little simple fact when we were bleeding the coolant system. It wasn't pressurized, so I was watching the temp and I completely got sidetracked because look at it. And temp got just over 212. Those of you that are wise with fluid dynamics knows that yeah, it started boiling and covered the engine, so it got its first impromptu bath. It happens. I'm not even mad. I'm happy. Got the radiator coolant re-topped off. Good enough. I mean, I know I'm gonna have to re-bleed it probably one more time, but it's good enough to work, and I'm happy. This is amazing. So now, Brian, is the work done?
No, it's never done.
Yeah. So now we're gonna assemble the tailgate in. Luckily, we've done this already, so it shouldn't be that hard to do. So stay tuned, and we're gonna get to work. All right, guys, we finished the Factory 5 body install. And Brian, how you feel?
Tired and sweaty. It's a little hot out here. It's a little humid.
Yeah.
The evening, afternoonish rain that usually knocks the humidity down.
Yeah, it
It
has.
skipped right by us and it just stayed nasty. So.
No, it rained for like 2 seconds. But man, minus the doors and the hinges, because those are going to be black. But this is what it's going to look like, people. It is so close. I just had to put it together for transport. It's easy to move a bunch of car parts when they're attached to the car.
Yes, less things to carry in boxes.
Exactly. But man, this looks so good. Pretty much the dash and doors and hinges is all that's left. And all the interior work. Brian, come in. But yes,
It's uphill.
I'm ecstatic. I do appreciate you guys watching these videos. If you want to see more content like this, because cool cars like that are going to keep coming. Especially Brian, you got some toys coming.
I do. We gotta go pick up my toys, but we got some toys coming.
We got some toys coming. But yes, I really do appreciate you guys. If you like this type of content, comment down below, let us know. Hit that like button and subscribe, and hit that notification bell if you're not subscribed. All right, have a good one, guys. Peace. Brian.
Have a good night there, folks.